Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the most sought-after products to help you make informed choices. In today's video, we're introducing the best Avery 6450 labels you can buy, the Avery Matte White Round Labels, specifically the 1-1/2 size available in a pack of 400. If you're on the hunt for versatile and high-quality labels, stick around as we explore why these might just be the perfect solution for your label-making needs. The Avery 6450 labels are designed with sure feed technology, ensuring a smooth printing experience without jams or misalignment. Their permanent adhesive guarantees that once you place them, they're not going anywhere, making them perfect for labeling jars, organizing office files, or creating custom stickers for your projects. These labels come in a striking matte white finish, which provides an excellent canvas for printing, whether you're using an inkjet or laser printer. You'll find that the matte surface offers exceptional clarity and vibrant color reproduction, making your designs pop. What's really impressive about these labels is their versatility. They can be used in a myriad of applications. Want to create personalized gifts? Avery has got you covered. Their user-friendly design allows for customization using the Avery Design and Print online tool, where templates are readily available to kickstart your creativity. When it comes to performance, the feedback from users consistently highlights their quality and print resolution. They resist smudging and scratching, meaning your labels will maintain their professional appearance for an extended period. This is a vital feature for anyone who values presentation, especially in business contexts. Moreover, installing these labels is a breeze. The labels are arranged on 8.5 by 11 inches sheets, making them compatible with most laser and inkjet printers. This means you can easily print your designs from home or the office without needing special equipment. To sum it up, if you're searching for high-quality, versatile labels, Avery Matte White Round Labels are hard to beat. Their professional appearance, ease of use, and impressive print quality make them stand out in the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or someone who simply enjoys organizing, these labels can bring your projects to life. Remember, the best results come from good preparation. Make sure to check out Avery's online design tools that can help you maximize the potential of these labels. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews, and share your experiences with Avery labels in the comments below. Until next time, happy labeling. That's a wrap on our review of the Avery 6450 labels. See you in our next video where we'll dive into more exciting products and give you the insights you need to choose the best.